Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I'm going to provide you a very important information. I hope that the information which I'm going to provide you today will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam. So guys, on Unacademy Plus, we are going to have many new courses in July. So many new courses will start which will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. And if you want to attend the live classes of all these courses from the starting and you don't want to miss any of the classes, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also guys, if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, after that you will be able to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation. Along with these points guys, you should also know about many other things, the benefits which you will get after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, so that it will become easy for you to decide that whether you want to get all these benefits, whether you want to prepare in this way or not. So you will be able to get to know about everything after watching this video. So basically, if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, after that guys, you will be able to attend the live classes of the well structured and the well planned courses which will help you in doing the best preparation for the exam. Also, doubt clearing sessions will be there, mock tests will be there, mock test analysis sessions will be there. For the part A, which is gonna be the general aptitude, general science, reasoning and all, the part A which is common for all the different streams, okay, for that even you will have different courses. So you will be able to attend the live classes of all those courses and you will be able to do the preparation of part A as well. Also guys, you will have the recordings of the live classes as well. So anytime even after the class, if you want to watch the session recordings, you will be able to watch it. Or any day if you are not able to attend the live class, you will be able to watch the recordings so that you will not miss anything. Now one more information guys, that is, if you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, then by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So this is gonna be one more benefit you can get. So you just need to write it as it is. Okay, the spelling should be same and no space in between. By writing and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So guys, these were some of the very important points. And yes, these courses which are going to start in July will help you a lot. Done. So if you want to check the course structure of all these courses, you can check that in the Unacademy Learning app. I hope then you will have a very clear idea about the timings and all everything. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope everything will be clear to all of you. And thank you everyone.